Hungry? Bored of the same old sandwiches? Today we are making Masala Pav. It's like a pizza and a burger had a spicy, buttery baby. It's fast, it's fun, and it's the ultimate after-school snack. Let's go! For this recipe we need buns, onion, sauce, farsan, turmeric, salt, coriander powder. First up, the foundation. Drop a generous knob of butter or oil. Toss in some finely chopped onions. Sauté them until they are translucent. Time for the magic powders. We are going in with coriander, jeera powder, turmeric and salt. Add green chili paste. Cook them for 5 minutes until it smells like a street festival, and set aside. Grab your softest pav buns and slice them open like a book. Spread sauce. And push the onion masala to the side and drop farsan, pomegranate over it. Grab your softest pav buns and slice them open like a book. Spread sauce. And push the onion masala to the side and drop farsan, pomegranate over it.
Okay.
And that's how you make the ultimate masala pav. It's crunchy, it's buttery, and it's way better than a boring sandwich. If you're going to make this at home, click that like button and subscribe for more snack hacks. Now, excuse me, I've got a date with this deliciousness. See ya!